Hello everyone, today we're taking a detailed look at the Yosoo Healthgear Programmable User-Defined USB Single Keyboard Switch OSU Keypad. This compact device is designed to streamline your workflow, whether you are working, gaming, or controlling media. With a plug-and-play mechanism that supports a variety of operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS X, and more, this keypad immediately functions upon being connected via its Type-C interface. No installation hassles or extra drivers required. An added convenience is that your custom settings travel with you from one computer to another. One of the standout features of this device is its ability to customize the single key it offers. This programmable shortcut function comes in incredibly handy when performing repetitive tasks. Whether you're using the keypad to quickly execute commands like cut or undo, to launch custom scripts, or to operate media applications, its flexibility makes it an ideal tool in both professional and gaming settings. The device turns what might be a mundane input into a personalized productivity hack. The Yosoo keypad also boasts impressive RGB lighting with adjustable modes. You have the option of cycling through multiple lighting patterns that create a visually appealing workspace, or disabling the lighting altogether if you prefer a minimalist look. This feature not only adds a touch of style to your desk, but also lets you tailor the ambience of your setup to match your personal taste or mood. In terms of build quality, the compact and portable wired design is a major advantage. Its minimal footprint saves valuable desk space and is perfect for professionals on the move or those with limited room. The detachable Type-C cable adds to its portability, making it easy to bundle along with your laptop in your travel bag. Under the hood, the keypad utilizes a mechanical red switch that offers tactile feedback and precise keystrokes. The added bonus of a hot swap capability means you can easily replace or upgrade the switch without any soldering, ensuring the device can be customized for long-term use. It does, however, have a single key only, which might be seen as a drawback if you're looking for a multi-keyboard setup. In comparison with similar products on the market, this keypad stands out for its ease of use, versatility, and smart design, though it may not completely replace full-scale keyboards in some specialized applications. For those looking to maximize their experience, it's recommended to explore various shortcut configurations and lighting setups to best match your workflow. Experiment with custom scripts to see how much more efficient your daily tasks can become. Overall, the Yosoo Healthgear Programmable Keypad is an excellent choice for professionals, gamers, and anyone interested in personalizing their input tools. It delivers a balanced mix of functionality, customization, and portability that truly sets it apart. Thank you for watching, and happy